Okay, today we're going to be starting our study of polygons. What is a polygon? That's the first thing you need to ask yourself. A polygon is a closed figure. So that means it doesn't have any open ends, it meets, and all the sides meet at vertices. And this is the plural form of the word, and the singular form is vertex, which is the point where two segments come together. And a polygon always has the same number of sides as angles. And I'll just use that little abbreviation for angles. You want to make sure that you understand that it has sides. So a circle is not a polygon. An oval is not a polygon. But a triangle, a hexagon, an octagon are all examples of polygons. So let's look at some of the polygons that are the most frequently used. A polygon with 3 sides is called a triangle. A polygon with 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. A polygon with 5 sides is called a pentagon. And you might know that some of these prefixes help you determine, like tri. You know tri, like a tricycle, would have three wheels, so 3 sides. 6-sided figure or polygon is called a hexagon. 7-sided is a heptagon or septagon. You see it either way. 8-sided is an octagon. 9-sided is a nonagon. And a 10-sided figure, I have to remember it, is a decagon. And it keeps going. I have a list that I can show you in class, but it keeps going to, a 15-sided figure. I know that a 12-sided figure is a dodecagon. The names get a little complicated. You're only required to know these. Okay, as we go on talking about polygons, we can compare them. And we compare them using 2 terms. The first term is congruent. Congruent polygons are polygons that are the exact same size and shape. So same size, same shape. So if I was going to draw 2 congruent polygons, I could draw 2 equilateral triangles, and I've done the best I can freehand, and tell you that these 2 are congruent or equal. The symbol for congruent looks like this. It's an equal sign with a curvy line above it. The second way we can compare polygons is to call them similar. If they're similar, they have the same shape, but they are a different size. So if I did 2 equilateral triangles and I made them like this, I can say that those are similar. Same shape, equilateral triangle, but different sizes. And the symbol for being similar looks like that. So you can also show congruence within a shape. So if I wanted to show that 2 sides in a shape are exactly the same size, like if I was making a square and I was drawing it up here and you weren't sure if it was a square or not, you would look for these tick marks. Those tick marks mean all those sides are the same length. Now let's say I did this, and I have this side is the same as this side, but it's different than this side. I would do this, this, and I would put 2 tick marks there to show that this side is a different length. Okay, that's it for this segment.